If you need to check your memberships on Whop, whether you want to see your active communities, digital products, or even your past orders and expired memberships, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And if you want more simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to whop.com, then log into your account. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the home feed page. This is important because the membership list we want to check is shown from the main dashboard area. If you're somewhere else in the app, just navigate back to the home screen so you can follow along easily. Now look at the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. This is where Whop organizes your account activity and membership access. Under the Join section, you'll see a list of all the creator communities and digital product spaces you're currently a part of. This is the fastest way to check what you're actively subscribed to or have access to right now. Take a moment to review the list carefully. If you joined multiple spaces, this section will help you quickly identify each one without having to search manually. It's especially useful if you want to confirm whether a purchase went through, check which memberships are currently active, or simply remind yourself what you have access to. If you want more detailed information, like full membership history, invoices, or hidden account details, there's another place to check. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Orders. This is where Whop keeps a more detailed record of your account activity. Inside the Orders section, you'll usually see categorized tabs that separate different types of memberships and purchases. For example, you may find your active join spaces, anything that's currently on a waiting list, and your expired memberships. This makes it much easier to track everything in one place, instead of guessing where a membership went. If you're trying to find an invoice or verify a past purchase, the Orders page is the best place to start. You can use it to double-check what you paid for, what is still active, and what may have ended. That's especially helpful if you're managing several Whop memberships at once, or trying to keep your account organized. So to recap, if you just want a quick view of your current memberships, check the Join section on the left side of your Whop dashboard. If you want deeper details like membership history, expired access, or order information, click your profile icon and head into Orders. That gives you both the simple overview and the detailed record. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step Whop guides, and I'll see you in the next video.